Hello. In this video, you're going to see how to install table themes for Chico Poker, which includes BetOnline, SportsBetting and TigerGaming. Step 1. Download the zip file with the theme to your computer. You can download it after your purchase is complete, and you are redirected back to the download page. You can also find the download link in your purchase receipt email. I already have the zip file with the theme here on my desktop. Step 2. Extract the files from the zip file. You can do it by opening it, and then just dragging the files out, or right-click on the zip file, and choose Extract. Step 3. Close your Chico client, if it's open. Step 4. Run the theme installer. Don't change anything during the installation. Now that the theme is installed, copy the included shortcut file to your desktop, or wherever it is comfortable for you to access it. From now on, when you want to start the Chico Poker software, use this shortcut to do it. Congratulations! You can now start to use your new theme. These instructions are also included in the README file, with some additional info about the theme. Good luck at the tables!